This is a BMW M8, but it is not just a BMW M8, it's the M8 Competition. It's the highest trim level you can get today. It's a beautiful BMW from any angle with the M performance features that we all love. Let's go and have a quick look of this BMW M8 from the interior. As soon as you open the door, you can see the beauty of the BMW M8 Competition. Trim all over the place. This over here is a carbon core, and the reason why it says that is because BMW is using carbon fuse with the chassis in production vehicles to make this vehicle lighter and more resistant. Of course, it is only for the M vehicles. In this case, this is an M8, but it is pretty amazing what BMW is doing with all these M vehicles. In the interior, you can see it looks luxury. This is the combination of performance and luxury. Everything inside the interior looks high-end, and you get the performance of an M vehicle. Under the hood of this beautiful BMW M8 Competition, we have this. The S63 engine, a V8 twin-turbo 4.4-liter engine. This engine is capable to do 617 horsepower. It is pretty amazing. The power plant of this one is super strong. It is as strong as the M5, but in a shorter wheelbase, which makes this BMW M8 Competition feel dry and have better performance than the M5. And here we have Aja Bleu. He's going to help us on the sticker price of this beautiful BMW M8 Competition.
Now the M8 Competition, brand new vehicle, nothing like it to compare. $146,000 base price with nothing on it. After a few added options, this vehicle specifically comes to $158,000.
Many of you will be scared with the price, but the performance you get out of this vehicle is what is worth the money. Don't get scared, then this high price is going to kill your motivation of getting one of these, because as soon as you get in one of these, you get behind the wheel of one of these, you will love it, and you will think that you really did a good purchase by buying one of these. Aja Bleu, he is a salesman here in BMW of Ontario, and he can help you with any questions you have, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll always be here for you.
That's good. So in the description below, there will be information on how to contact him, and also his IG profile will be there for a faster communication, so you can see how he is helping other customers as well.